In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide event details in Google Calendar. This can be particularly useful when you want to maintain privacy for certain events while still keeping your calendar organized and visible to others for scheduling purposes. Let's dive into the process right away. First, let's focus on changing the visibility of a single event. Begin by opening your Google Calendar on a desktop browser. Once you have your calendar up, locate the specific event you wish to hide. Click on it to reveal its details. You'll notice a pencil icon which represents the edit function. Click on this icon to edit the event. As you scroll through the event details, look for the visibility option. If it's not immediately apparent, don't worry. Simply click on More Options to reveal the setting. Here, you'll want to select Private. Choosing this option changes the event visibility so that others can only see that you're busy during this time period, but they won't be able to see the title or any event details. Remember to click Save to ensure these changes take effect. This simple step effectively shields the details of this event from others who may have access to your calendar. Next, let's discuss how you can change the default visibility settings for all your events, which is a useful feature if you want to consistently keep your schedule private. Begin by locating the gear icon in your Google Calendar, typically situated at the top right of your screen, and click on it to access the Settings. In the Settings menu on the left-hand side, find your calendar listed under Settings for My Calendars, and select it. As you scroll through the settings for this calendar, look for Access Permissions for Events. You'll need to ensure that the options labeled Make Available to Public or Make Available for Organization are either unchecked or, even better, set to See Only, Free, Busy, Hide Details. By configuring these settings, you ensure that all your events automatically appear as busy to others without revealing any specifics about the appointments. This is a fantastic way to streamline privacy and save time, as it applies universally to future entries. And there you have it. A comprehensive walkthrough on how to hide event details effectively in Google Calendar. Whether you're applying these adjustments to a specific event or modifying the default settings for your entire calendar, privacy is just a few clicks away. Being able to share your availability without revealing sensitive information is an invaluable tool for maintaining professionalism and personal discretion. So go ahead and try these steps out today to manage your schedule with greater confidence and privacy.